Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to detect suspicious network activity in Glasswire. Glasswire is a network monitoring and security tool that helps you see exactly which apps are using your internet connection in real time. It's especially useful for identifying unusual or suspicious activity on your PC. First, what you can do is open to your Glasswire on your computer. And on the main dashboard, you land on the Graph tab. This is where you can see the real-time network activity displayed visually. If you notice sudden spikes in traffic when you're not actively using the internet, that could be a red. Show any suspiciosity and move your cursor over the graph here to see which application was using data at that time. And next you can click to this usage app in the top over here. Here you can view the detailed data usage by the app, host, and the traffic type, sort the list by data usage to quickly identify which application is consuming the most bandwidth. If you see an unfamiliar or unknown app using a lot of data, that's something you should be suspicious further. And that is it. Regularly checking to your Glasswire. From there you can block suspicious app by consistently monitoring the graph usage and section in Glasswire. You can quickly detect unusual behavior and protect your system from the potential threats. And that is it. That's how you can detect your suspicious network activity in Glasswire. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.